Who called the game? It's not the naughty dread. It must be ballad. Watch the ballad. Who called the game? You called the game. It's not the naughty dread. It must be ballad. Watch the ballad. Someone played the wrong domino and caused the world to follow. Someone played the wrong domino, put the world in a hollow. Who called the game? Are you called the game? It's not the naughty dread. Must be ballad, watch the ballad. Shout out to Rita Marley, family of the I trees. You know? Queen Rita Marley, who called the game? Greetings, family. Greetings in the name of the God of our ancestors. I pray and hope all is well with the I and the I them family this blessed Sunday, wherever you find yourself in the four corners of the earth. I pray that peace, stability, tranquility, more money, more health, unity, togetherness, positivity, productivity find itself in your places of abode, We're there on patrol, we're there on watch Africa's vanguard. Operation renovation, restoration is still in progress, We're taking our time and get there, you see. I end up at tearing down this whole wall here that the former contractor family member did. Take it down, clear it up. Now we're gonna, form frame and get this room going. This is the largest room up here. This is one of my son them room. The largest. Yeah, family, how things. The weather is starting to change in our neck of the woods, It's not fully there, but it's starting to be that kind of weather that is conducive to my biological makeup, Yeah, sunny day are here again. Sunny day, little rain. Hey, sunny day are here again. Sunny day. Yeah, I'm look within. Just vibration, just come to me just and say, sunny days are here again. Yeah. If you feel the vibes, family, don't feel no way to like, share, and subscribe, Road to 20,000 subscribers. The first step we're going to take is 1,000. You don't know. Give thanks for the support. Yeah, we're about to jump in it. We're about to jump into it right now. It's a nice feeling, a nice accomplishment type of feeling, Yeah. Stay tuned, family. Hey, family. Welcome forward to the channel, if it's your first time. And you feel the vibes, don't feel no way to show some love and support. Like, share, and subscribe. Road to 20,000. First step is 1,000, With the help of the IDM. Oh, it's serious out there, Which I know it's serious out there, In these perilous times that we find ourselves in this day, at this present moment, at this present hour. Careful, be very careful of who you let in on the farm, Be careful of who you're letting in on the farm, You have your own intentions, your own goals, your own aims in life. And there are others whose goals and aims and intentions in life is to disrupt, corrupt, mix up your intention, your meditation, your dreams, goals, and aspiration. Family, be careful who you let in on the farm. Yo, what is he talking about? Careful who you let in on the farm. Be careful who you have in your company. Test them, retest them, check them. Careful who is in your company. Some serious times. I don't have to tell you we're in serious times. You're supposed to know that. We just say echoing the trumpet that I already sung. We just say that we're that echo. Echo, 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 echo. Echo of reassurance. And we saying it now because we saying it. We saying it because we were inspired through divine order to say it. Be careful who you let in on the farm. Big time sellout a go on. You know the song? I think it's Capleton. Big time sellout a go on. Careful who you let in on the farm. Serious. Friend, foes, enemies, family members, relatives, guests. It's serious, you know. Yeah, everything is everything, family. We there upon it the same way, you know. Pray and hope all is well with the I and the them family in your neck of the woods. Praise God Almighty and live. Don't bow down to the oppressors then. Don't subjugate or subject yourself to the oppressors then. We are amongst them because so the thing said, but we are not of them. Know yourself. Find yourself. Dig deep within the core of yourself and discover yourself. And discover yourself, you're free, you know. All in captivity, you're free from you discover yourself. Hold it up, family. Feel the vibe. Show your brother some love, man. From any which way in the four corners of the earth. Any language you're speaking in, show your brother some love, man. Like, share, and subscribe. Spread the vibes, the international vibes, you know. It's worldwide vibes, you know. It's a mystical vibes, you know. It's a mysterious vibes, you know. It's just vibes, you know. Yeah. Hold it up, family. Walk for you. Enough walk. We're there on patrol. We're there on watch. Africa's vanguard. Have a blessed one, family. Peace and love.